Domino's released cheesy volcano pizza, but there's a catch. So, in the cheesy volcano pizza, allowing fans to dip as they eat, just there's a catch. What is the catch? Sweden even got a love heart-shaped pie topped and everything, but there's a catch to Domino's cheesy pizza that's coming from the Japan 2590 yen. Fans are amused. Promotional video just seeing the cheesy dip located at the center. Yes, when I look one piece to dip it, I felt like the volcano would collapse. Yes, they have said it. Picture properly teach you how to cook something, but they have this thing all worried.